certain qualities which are highlighted as being necessary to be successful. Those qualities are qualities of aggression or hustling, just cutthroat competition. On the face of it, all these qualities seem to be non-compliant with what we learn when somebody goes into a spiritual mindset.
First of all, we need to be very clear about the concept of success. In fact, that will decide your attitude towards life, attitude towards all the activities you do. Most of the people have got wrong concept of success. Most of them think that success means I earn lot of money, lot of name, lot of property I have. That is not real success. Success is bringing out your potential to the maximum extent and being satisfied with yourself. That is success. If that is the definition of success or concept of success for me, then most of the values which we are entertaining will be dropped. We don't require aggression, we require assertiveness. You can be assertive without becoming aggressive. And while being assertive, you can be humble as well. I am firm in what I am saying, but I am humble as well. Aggression is little bit offensive, whereas assertiveness is being clear about oneself, being convinced of what one is thinking, and we can present our views with firmness and humility. So what aggression can do, even assertiveness with humility also can do. And as I said, whenever my concept of success is proper, then most of the things will fall in their place. And even this competitive spirit is not really required. What is required is my commitment to excellence. If I am committed to excellence, people have to come to me. I have to go after the world. That is not the right approach. You excel to that extent that people have to come to you. And therefore, most of the values which are highlighted and which are emphasized are wrong values. So we need to correct our values. And even success, so-called success, even material success can be gained with right values. We have to disinvest from wrong values and invest on right values.